Hey everybody, I was at the store the other day and saw Caveman browsing the veggie aisle. Ever see a caveman wearing shorts? I have. Then I run the other way to find the evaluator. Have you ever seen Caveman walking in your backyard at night? Don't worry, he's just looking for something to do. I said to our guy once, "So, where do we go from here?" He wasn't happy. I'll do better next time. Anybody here ever met a guy named Barn? Well, unfortunately, he's my friend. Tell him he missed Caveman's Tight Pants show, the finale.